Just had a great reminder of how far I've come. Had an amazing podcast with Monica Sawyer. Look for that podcast to come out. But we were talking and she was like, okay, so I'm looking at your bio and I see that you have 450 assets under management. I was like, oh, that's changed. Because we are currently at 2,000 assets under management. And she was like, wow. So the last time we were discussing, and I had you on the podcast, you were talking about all the books that you were reading, the 12-week year, and the One Thing, and Miracle Morning, and all these, like your morning routine. And I had a good giggle because all those things that I did, and this must have been 2017, 2018, all those things that I did those many years ago, and that's like 4 years ago. Wow. 4 years ago has been the foundation for my morning routine today, for the units that we have today, for the mindset that I have today, waking up with energy and to set my day correctly, the systems that I have in place, all of that work is still working for me. So for everyone that's listening to this and all the work that you're putting into yourself right now, that work that you're putting into yourself right now is going to still work for you years from now.